Gideon. No one can love me like you want me serious. Had me a table before my enemies, even in my weakness. You've been merciful to me. Babble away. Table before my enemies, even in my weakness. You've been merciful to me. I fall away. I pay no war. I can fall away. Fall away. Fall away. Fall away. Oh, thank you.
Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. With the man, Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
You are the bread of life. Belongs to you.
And that's the new joint from Celestine Dunker. And no money and Numbia Ed Papa. Come on. Nah, Abraham D can't say they were cooking something. Now make it can't some more social media.
Never knew you fake.
A mouth will say, oh yeah, sure.
You've turned my life around.
But a nominal talk for me. You bet you be also yes.
Bringing me
this is it.
You've turned my life around.
Beautiful song.
I never knew you favor me this way. You've turned my life around.
Agbebolu. Nah, we
bringing me
feature yes small boy.
You've turned my life
Gideon. Someone call instrument. You made you know.
Thank you, Jesus.
And he also did very well on this song. Yeah. If I try me, man, good afternoon. I believe Sebi BI fine. Yende radiase. So the end day so ache. And now a Tuesday. Yes. The 16th of July 2019. Pacho Ofie Kwanso and Asabe was so eguso awutie. As like I say, come on, Kwame na Aidan. So they Adom live worship brain. And I yen so ya so mu. Ye krokro mu a. Kopem se no sia bebo. Na ye jemu ama. Adom newsroom. No mo so e de kasebo. Heavy one pa. Abre. Adom 106.3 FM. We nay.
Turn my life around.
They are showing me din kronkron ni onyam.
Glory and honor.
Nanka dey na ye fese obo adwuma wie yi ayi na HR manager aba office. Nanka watimi apen kranshin se bia ka chew. Na nso we dey David.
You surprise my end.
Oba ya chese o house a.
Smith to the
Ene na oba sa ye den. Nanka tra office ye. Ahanya studio anka.
Of light, so you can
Office why?
light. Oh,
The higher dreams are near there. By this time he encouragement too.
can love me like
By this time oba no rasa
yours.
encouragement ni yo.
Had me a take
Yes I do.
before my
Yes even.
even
And I read that them came.
been my
No by this time now over he's there.
well.
Anyways, It's a free Sabre copy, some boy, you know, Ofie Kwanso. You're from Jerry Justice. Tetamanafo Efshechi as producer. And then before Akete Ewaha. Sanso and Thomas Waha. And a Kwesima for Iwa 5. Upon was uncle. You are around and near there. And not it me. Oh, dear, they were told in Yamai. Was so what? Made the video be out to Instagram. Na Kwesima for and now we try a video. Sana de na ya o ya okasunya yo mpeso bija. The reason why I posted that video or can symbium na sa word no e twi kasa batment ase. Dipacho mo am be hwesa video no on Instagram no. Mo nche me ase. Me ntimi pom pronounce. O kan say. Can go microphone. Also dey. Peshe dey.
This is here me for Peshe.
And when I can say show. O ko te we.
E me nkwa na mtiase.
We are better than why, Papa. I was saying Tuesday. Let him say every Tuesday, Biano air confessions. You share na ya who drew kama pa na and then so no your business. Right after this song
in your time.
Activate your phone lines no.
You
know the rules. Only problem with men friend.
Times and seasons.
Yes. BBI fine out there men friend.
And the throat.
TB keke. Now man for come problems now. Counselor bum now on my solution now. Now so they are futu now they are come brabo no.
Let's go.
But men friend them block you be chance because obi a problem kesepa. Baby now call na baby sim no dey na ntimi amba. Eti wo bibi tete wade bi dunya April 1. This is the time for you. Get ready. Minya announce phone lines ne pe framing. Na fi ka wasem ne tren. Ofra mesre bebre men ka odin tren na men bo odin tren. Any baby are free. Just go straight to the point. Tell us what the problem is. Na nyame enam counselor Oscar Sripiso. Ye be hwe na ya pe wasem no ho anoye e dia ma. And it's your Samuel Kwababi about Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Enjoy this one. Right after this, activate phone lines no. Then the confessions. Your time. Also there how on for afraid about media so.
The God who changes the times and seasons. The one who enthrones and dethrones
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice
is a
on Adom 106.3 FM.
Let's go.
Emra sisa Emra dia dania oh enti mo abonbia so me pepa Emra sisa Emra dia dania oh enti mo abonbia Dead lion, if you have life, you're okay. overcome, just pursue. God will make a way where there is no way. Hey, yeah. So, baby, baba. Oh, so, baby, baba. Hey, you know, baby, baba. Oh, so, baby, baba. But God is real, time will tell, so don't be sad. Destiny will answer unto your call.
With patience, you inherit your promise.
North and south, east and west, promotion never comes but from the Lord. He makes all things beautiful in His time. Oh, 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 so
Wow. Pacho, wo brebeba, wati? Yes. Wo brebeba. Bibia wonemre. Nyame wo bre a wahehye de ama bibia. Enti se wo de mai no bi de aba. Me ma ne nye wo se sa na wo de ne be ye wati? Yeah. There's time for everything. Josh Lai. Okay, eti ya be kwa oma no so. Na ya shase afa mo course no. So by kind Ketsi, Kojak Pharma Limited, and I pay Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited, 20 friend GT Bank. Madama, call me now 0302 216 561. I pay 0302 216 562. Ofra member dinche anyway be our free. Name problem now. Opese eboa wo hono na one ya che.
But God is real.
Titi.
Time will tell.
Fanuko lunch why?
Destiny.
Fanuko lunch.
To your call.
You refi one for na dre wi intino.
You inherit your promise.
North and south.
All right, young crowd man na sha semfa amount for course no na yenti de omde na mo wi. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patcho want to say.
Me hoye.
Nice.
Baba Jerry was saying me credit.
Me ma say o credit. Na me de yeden.
Oh, me do not sister.
Saudi ma kire mu an so da bia mu blemu yen. Me yen hwe call no ba bia kofa ya se bedu e ba ya na mafa ko yi di no time be na me say o credit ye etu le be kan wasem na yenti o right. Wow, sure. Wow, sure. Wow, sure. I can't see me. This so me foul na there be said the tear had me to me for an original house na sir. It doesn't work like that. Munya wa botre kakra wa na. Human pressure. Okay, yeah, fact next one. Hello.
Call has been put on hold. Please wait.
On one case as well put in hold. We will be say my money credit way. Wow. Anyways, 0302216561 0302216562. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. To say. You me patrol you was more than them.
Patrol me how to say. Hello.
Me patrol kasa radio no and one name wow no dum no kra na e ntimi kasa yi why because my feedback and you had still our radio na wo no e my feedback into the dum no wife and na fi bia radio no e wo kra no why.
Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Me patrol you.
I am Mr. Ofie. I'm saying the so betina na toilet na Ofie na every week dia obi achi. Ana ya for every week dia achi. Edu amuso amuti ya kwa camp ba se man ka che omuso amuti toilet nti ye ni o party.
Wo se o papa ehefo na oni omutwi na o papa se omo de omuntwi amamo nka no.
Ye titi ho na you see one toilet.
Yeah, so when they were here, Madrid.
Hello.
More motifie. More mo papa na tifie. Ase we dey. Kwa kuma una mani o. Debut na kwa na. Edu say mo papa tifie na toilet twie. Esikan ya bam na we sui. This kwa kubam.
David ya mate. Rewind. Enter the confusion I was. I say na papa there.
Na no TV na toilet no na ebinum no omu ko ka che papa say
I saw go twitwi toilet.
Papa no say dey bi o dey nya hwe.
To the radio so. There's a toilet on the entry.
Debut,
and now papa so in Chumomo.
Confessions.
Semiana. Debut, but also confession. They had an orca and I said,
the toilet tree will feel so. I never radio so.
What about Papa Day?
So when I am
when you're lucky. Better understand Papa, your friend, that's so of course.
Be friend, yeah. Also, problem. No, say illegal, be illegal. You nam say dance also new town. Minim say be electricity be na nkofo akotwetwe fom nam so hanti no omo aye den. O say go omo connect omo toilet na fiom fie no omo de atoto gata nu. Me I was driving because of this I had to park now there.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Oh Joe.
Oh
yeah, try another one. Hello,
sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Can I say?
Nyame adomo.
Bibia boko.
Bibia fine.
Nyame ase. Me problem ni say Pentecost developers. Omo office o doko. Me ko Pentecost. Me head that ni be now so sometime in 2012 say omo to accident Pentecost ni bi ayere resolve to bi. Nti that time no na me choose media no omo de ma 3,000 5,500 and na utua half I was here the land na ma. Nti me betua 3,550 I think come the land na ma me no. And no me a problem bia ba baby omo de ba ma ya ho. To me ekufo. Masa up till now since 2012 be na me no kan me san ka asa no. Ma ko ho ta na I am saying me be na because of Pentecost sorry nti na ma kan san. Nti me sramo me ntose me bi e beka za Pentecost ni na wo ye fa
na me pa che o se de o kan no se enya asore na eton asase ne ma o
omo aye ton asase ni na Pentecost yi
enti ti o enipa de obi a o ba bi o re yi o
there is all ton asase no we inform me one fan ba
na me ken na se de o kan kwa na Pentecost wo de abami. It is not the church
And I told us
that's so the land for you. And you go for sorry nibi. And on about together so more assassin. It is all your Pentecost ni now so call. Me matter as I said Pentecost new order. I don't know. Pentecost new once I say I want.
So be your business be
what I say.
You need a Pentecost estate developer.
Open so chese o dey ebe boy chiri say Pentecost for na nkasa na to ebe boy chiri why
because me head and be na so na me man he say Pentecost for na ya na no say
well da betimi aka kire o well da betimi aka kire o say obi a Pentecost benefo bi say but say ebia aso na nkasa na to ama o
omo nye business
ebe boy chiri
ya say ebe boy chiri kwa we say Pentecost as a body as a church in the Pentecost ni wonya dia ebia Pentecost for bega say sisi ya ton asase o
sense am confession
me hu bi da
e wo morty hello
morty
hello good afternoon Roger
good afternoon
ne pomo
nyame adom ode a cheme
yo ye there dey the problem is me ne abame ba me ne tena ya ache pa ba ni papa na on pese me wale no wasun die me ne tena ache ifo se enkola
hello
yeah
I know what you mean. I just say, mo worry, on ye no one day.
But de me wale no nya no wale.
Ba on ne o.
Me start to cry. I fancy enkola blim abro bia na e fre no. Ma me ne papa no enkola blim kura.
Eni oni abayo ya hye wache. Ti be how many years ni?
Oh, me fancy almost 21 years ni ate.
Yehuwa. It's 21 years ni no. E na ne papa so ompene so ma on ware no.
Ne papa so ompene so ma me ti na enkola blim no ma me na fre me. I say what but the dimwana would me twa na egu no girl no boa me wo bra me kosua adwumam sa na nyame adom mapom me ho ama me amesi me say we dey bra no me no be dey ni back girl no so awie teacher training no so nyame adom no so esi ni afede ye ko ebusia ni no ebusia fo no wo say omo mpene so ma den wale about 92 weeks ni na girl no catch him there any papa so mpene so anya me nyem ni dia obeti ase nti me nyem no then so ben so Roger ni die mu after na me raise me dime person me wie dine na sana
nti twen eti nyem side one wine den
and nyem side one na me man no answer say mpese mama na answer say me den do me raise person me raise wie ansana akola abe person me sit down wie ansana akola abe.
It is say no a damn pan up as a mouse is here.
And none per se me actually because no be me de to no na okay ma mentie cancer nan
say oba no suggestion or the abano beja tum no wanyem no na say obeja na manako.
But it
is say no person who say oba no suggestion or the aba say nyem no o say so to aso ya na say uja na manako.
Mpacho ansa na mpese nyu say ya.
You. Ya te councilor beba mu why? Akete yen to aso yen for na yeti di ono so dinam. Hello. Me patro e mo akwaba.
E opo akimota.
Me o de member ba bia free fini o embo odi. Me patro eno de unhia wasem na yenti was. Hello.
Yes.
Me patro yeti o.
Since is it March, starting of the March, just to your home, no. Yeah, up to date. In TV. Oh, watch my public toilet opposite door. Hello?
Me patro, we there, and why? Yeah, so. Nah, anyway, me comment on those things anymore. It's the entrance. I can tell you before. Hello,
Roger. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Roger, me pacho. So back last time, be me friend. I can say me koshe kuma se san ejuma sem to do 2 years or na me back ra. Na me no bad.
Oba na nyem no.
Oba na nyem no. Ntino me back ra. Them say 2 months ni na me back ra. Nti me back ra no. Sana be ma no onyo me oba na me ne tira nyem no. Chese oni na akasa se ba no o de be hye me o de be mare ba o no oba ni sa ga ni ntem jo munim se ono sa guy ne ba so into boy ne guy ne so on tia say into boy ne sie ti ge ne chi e be hu ka chem say oba na me ne che no nyinsa no onye me ne dia ba yo ne ge na akasa ba ge no mpese obeti ode ninsen be man ode ba be sha into osre na into no wa fi chi one me ka no say ba no de ye ne dia into so ba no po aye mboni bia me friend channel no owo a obehwe na wa je ne ba Jerry, so last my friend so counselor ka say me ko ADN test ni ade me ntwa me sure ba no fine me imagine say me sure ba ni bibia nti we me ko oba no wo ye na ka me ko ADN test ni ska bebre we me ko say na ka bra Jerry eno so aka me dey fine.
Okay, and na say no there wo problem no it is almost solved no say no
yes
abranche na be ka no kro na che wa wi nyeza
yes nti si sia oba no minim say de me ne nko minim
so we dey
na fie cha be kan chem na ka minim ho hwe
na ko mi ba wo say be man na be kan we a kire we bo maame amane because earlier akra na maame kra doubt na odwin say bia wa na wa fire eti no ka che maame mo say asem abrante na be kan ni eti na mo fra oba na mo fanto nanim na mo hwe how she will react to it na fi what to answer from there why
okay nti bra Jerry oba no die be say me hu ese me ne ja already me ne no wo baba ko mensha akwala no so me ti akwala me tu menja no na akwala no me ko for ba for na ko say different mothers ni ade eno so ye problem ma me that
okay that point one of the member council album but one of the it solely depends on you say oba no afowachi na so still be accept no na be koso na tena na so be ja ne de ende but wo de ye be ja ho na ma council anti oba mu a ye be hwe and we or be ma why
me patch you that
yeah and that's
hello
yeah into hello
yeah
me patch akwaba yeti you
Roger what do you mean
me patch kasa na yeti you
me too problem ne pa ya me sha me problem ne say me inchabi kakra
where then
inchabi kakra
utwabi
ai
sa wonno monsa
ai menye offset
wonye den
menye regular ya wo ma na me kakra kama no
nti they say no what happen say
me an say e affect me in marriage
and sano ya affect wa
ai kakra bi the whole of the year na me fa bin kama no
any face then e affect wa worry oh let me say line aye I say more hello good afternoon if I told Doom Radio no na my feedback wa ensure we
hello Roger
yes my dear me patro you
first all me what problem the problem is say like me guy be no na best yet my actually and I am Adom yakumu your parents ne pese ko worry me mom or exhibited different characters they bia ne character or exhibited in zaman se see and me hu dey me come anymore se me sign me too
yes characters now exhibit no yenya hu ye no ni bufu ntem na ushia no from there na ntisa ho
net like but me who me say na me fan say like remember like ni pe bia so won ho nti me fan say oh na me hwe ne kakra but mrene ko n'anim na fe de esisan ntama ma e basa me hu na me
okay you be jama counselor why
show you that
Ebefa the next one hello
Roger
good afternoon
what can I say
me ho ye pam patro yeti you
patro me mama
o mama
oto ade o papa bi o njai so ko ohun papa no ano this can is lady bi o say papa ne ma no dia ma no One first can mama papa no. Ana wasam fa chire se ngoko kumi mame. So this kana ma me mame first ka bia mano.
Asama okay dey. O fa chire koku mame.
Anko kumi mame.
Anka o koku no. Asam no aya nwenwan kakra na me wo ye de na hu ze nka koku mame. Che mu kakra na.
Pacho me say I say mame to ade o papa no. Na mama bi okọ na e okoja o. Ejo kwa nko to papa no. Ana kisa ne so say aya me mama be booster no. Ikana se woni ho. Papa be booster ikana se woni ho. Oh. Ano this kan ja sister ne say papa ne ba no this kana man. Oh. Ejo mama ko ele. Ano booster ne say papa na be this kana na. Ano se de bi me mama first ka bia e ma no ye. Exactly, sorry. I'm also for next time. I'm catching say, because you want to see, sister next time for a check of cocoon. So what you say?
Today, so for one kind is there now the edge, you know. Oh, Mansry, and come on, ye didn't hear said the Beno. They say so for now, mamma who said, or Peso cook mamma. Aye,
brother. I'm not the papa sister no say no. Me this kind of man so like the way no but say me mama am first kind of man.
Okay, me bow. It is say o mama we tuaka no. E kan ni obi mu.
Say this kind of papa no.
And na onwuye. Oh.
Ebi.
Onwu why?
You ma.
O mama onwu. Kuma to yem. Onwu. Obi antimi ye no hwe. Ayi bi why titi. Na mo mama mpa ibom so nye den. Why? So for no say wow, ba kunu koku mu ame. Ka je nse nyame yi a che ndi a wo mpa no. O break is why? New free opereko. For last one. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Maybe problem is many girl do ho. Na girl I say oyo bia adi kakra be na le buefu. Oni ni kasa na ni buefu. Like more have a conversation can I say who can be there now or no wafan some another week like personal be nani brief or no bet me after now better 1 week now or no kata.
Hey.
Sometimes say young fan say me nyama I have seen sana on sia. This my one composing. 70 min yana ono so nye anasa obekwa kotesande no abese na media no na waja to ho
na obi amon ware no na mon ware no
enu anu
ba me ba wo on ware no ba to ne nete
me like otaba me ho
no oba na wa besu ne ma no
there be like sometimes oba what me di be say 1 week and I tell you now ko
enu no bi no eti enu mu no na se ni bufu a na bi wa 1 week ni na no ne nkasa no
ye nkasa obetun aba first day no ka na
na ntokwa na ba
enya agro
won so odo na pese o wai no
enya agro mi so mi don pa sometimes kwa mi jun ye mi say ase wa ye mi bi say na mi sit first no ye mi ngwa say oba to say no to me ye mi sa na so ya na mi butu mi fu na so na mi refi na mi hwe ne sa obetimi atena ho kwa na mi makọ racket ya na ediane obetora
ama na bi
enti se sia de se sia mi jira ha de madwen ye mi mienu ate girl we de want me mama comment
it is in o den na pese ye mo na eja na say ye mo na ware no
mbacho like me pese mi ye puto kakra say we said ebe ya say mu de mu experience and say ebe ya mu betumi aka ebe enyen so mu betumi aka
we ready to moko counselor okay you yati why
bacho you
you pay you man wana there you dey mam fancy ye answer na and then troubles no enye easy ye behwe na ya boaboa ho na ye ne counselor kasa na and then some one crofo di bi jan no emu rem na wabo rem na anu ye bi o bia so de amayem. In the meantime, you fast like I say my proud sponsors no. Kojak Pharma Limited on my aim. Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste. And after Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush. There you need udia ade frem. So when yanka wo bi nanka wo chinye di na wo se frem wa untimi ni. Ana say ade hye ana ade shield pa mu adwono e ka say na wo se frem wo jon ho anyi yusu Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash bejai. Or any severe type ne pa there. We use Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later, now I switch it to Kojak F. But for best result, I have for Kojak sensitive toothbrush no account for tree. Why? They are available at pharmacy shops out in them across the country. Do pano ko okanshi na do drug cleaner ubi Kojak Pharma ho. Yes, I'm from 0249 209 920 and 0260 870 780. And Kratway FDA for a movie Muajatum. Yene Councilor to us we are na ye the GT Bank for so asida among. Councilor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Na me patron pomu to saying.
Nyame adom ho ye pa. Temo so ho ye.
Nyame adom kruya krukra anti yenso ye ho ye pa.
Na ma ti production team ni.
You. Ina ejo so. The di kan no abrante yi o chese one abaywa awo ho be say over 21 years ni omo sha say from mama ne papa time wa na oba ne mama efre no masse sa na e dia be do sam pempensu yi yeah afida nka o pese o why no but papa no so say on pene da e ma on ware ne ba no ni say ti no oba ne say ene sa de a anke be ya onyim no say yo mo mpre de onyim no de a ene e kwan bia so on bepe na abrante no so say anka o ye ne building project bi o pese nko wi ansa na anka wo asem abom dizi no ohia kwan kire kakra
ya mi dafi ye pa se mo di program we ba yo na ye pa se di program we di ba ye pa ni go that shows on money team the baby.
Yeah.
Oh, I say oh yeah, we are sampling. Oh yeah, we are offer sampling. They are not. They won't make give you okay based on the sampling that my no. Say no man echo. Now 21 years no no. But any mommy friend no
nasi. Do it me the mommy go their money but papa na a problem.
And any papa no 21 years na every be not no over him. And sometimes me can say then me I know sometimes they go mad in court. So they are in love because of that no. Sometimes in court no they become crazy. But only you be a teacher to say no part where I'm not no M1. That's a mobile. I coach it to all shame. Also, to me, because we are more convenient, because more than students on those days. It is a name I met to my friend, Nasi for 21 years. Or patch it and then papa no on tear now, one tibia now. Now, tea be no dear no kind. I'm more for swam, maybe do by this time. Now, I'm happy, sir. Guy, no. From the way no customers were very calm. Very important. Because on no the pressure neighbor.
Yeah.
Now advice I'm the man say on focus on the project no answer. Because one, the first say only will be nominal. The first say only will be you are into courtship no. Does not mean that automatically you become a husband and wife. And for baby home omo fi se mu no bi nam na ni papa nim no ni ma nim ni mu nya nim no it means that you are going to be a husband and wife and this what mean you be an antia last hour na embassy to be a separate way and nothing that only be nam and the two of you are in courtship you are not yet married no you don't begin to live like a husband and wife oh yes I need to be na wa number so how in this case no obo say oba no that wari we ambassador bibi be no. From the way Anaga can say again it's on him no. It means that the girl has become so desperate. There's a guy now worry no bibi.
Yeah.
But guy don't no focus on the project no. Number 2, do not disrespect your parents because you are in love or you want to marry. I repeat, do not disrespect your parents because you are in love or you want to marry. Calm down. And that is why I like the composure of the guy. No? Why calm down. Namukopo bia offereno. No money on Munkasa. The one penny, Mufan Compai boom. But the reason why I'm going to mean yes, I say, by the time they get to that point, no, oh my, no more stiff, no more worry. Until they don't have the patience again to wait. But do not disrespect your parents because you want to marry. Gentlemen, calm down. Focus on your project. Namumpo be no money in Munkasa.
Okay.
Nima mina OGG relationship in the way. Where is she? Yeah. Because now the mother must come in.
Yeah.
It is the mother who is calling somebody massy, and that's what they do. A lot of them, the moment you your Bible see, the Bible see, when you start from massy, who told you so? Where is the assy? I said, Nippon didn't know about here, and sometimes this is what we do. And the moment we go call Nippon, oh, massy, say ya. Now, if you Baba na also comedian because my missy Nasi.
Yeah.
Oh, Master Crown uncle the same Kodaho. Oh, Master Crown Uncle Shetu with Diana. And then they encourage the children to live like a husband and wife. Meanwhile, they are not. While you be that person is not your husband, that person is not your wife. And I'm expecting the mother who was calling that guy Massy now to react. So to me. Non catch any Baba say, but for 21 years, you know. Akwada we wabe see us our mercy. I don't think it's also open. Where is the mother? Once they do one man ID, what if Papa they want to me no? Young man, focus on your project. Make sure that you are doing the project now. You know, resources near the become. There will be no money in Papa Tonkasa because it looks like I'm not doing gashi. Can you Papa and calm down? Not bomb empire. If it's the will of God for the two of you to become a husband and wife, nobody can stop it. And that's what I'm saying, sir. Do not disrespect your parents because you want to marry. And then parents, you know, stop calling people massing. Stop that. Because yes, our number so then people become very devastated. So why say after massing and stop calling people stop that. Words carry weight. So that at the end of the day they don't become a husband and wife. Then who be a young man come down. Once again, why desperate? Listen, finally. The first will be animal, and just anybody worry. Jerry?
Yeah.
Me say, the first will be a show new sen, and then just anybody worry. Wait a minute, but don't worry. And this also new sen of say, even nation, pregnancy, national before granted, then that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
Now, if you get pregnant, that young girl listening, if you get pregnant, why are you very cheap? She has become very cheap. Me, who told you say if you do that, no, say okay, based on even what you have done, our member also do. What are you going to do? You don't encourage a man to do that. And young man, I'm happy say one cut that line. Only you buy and who cheap ama bema. Why no for on ni papa say on penny on to no on fan on control bi ne papa papa cho no mo hu pai o say nyeme. Look at it. Look at it.
Yo, the last time I brought your friend out, just say, Juma Semti, I didn't go Pio Kumasia for a very long time now. Oh, who needs no or back now or banning Yamono. Minim say, Okaya, and Nazi was our friend say, I feel said the other time, no advice, and say, a bayan on to no boss now, they all remain calm now. Say, Obana, we are, nay, I D and nay, I shall say, about Franny and the ban, I say, more yen the ban. In waiting, no, and Obama for na. Ono no ne oba na anyem no obema na nkasa nso so afa ekira behu ga wi aka che ne se no kuri nyame anim ni one ne yere no pregnancy no e ono na responsible na waka person ka oje akola ba ne ba oba no so se da bi ɔde bɛma ɛyɛ ne kunu no it is a question ɔbɛma na fetchia bɛka no kora na chin it is no ɔse ohun sɛ de aba nti no onya so no ngyae aware na na sɛ onye ne den
the truth is that men won so only me kasa on air and I said me kasa off air me kai you because I didn't do
no correct
me dey say me three ma me yare you
no correct me kai pa ofred the other day say na one oba no enete ena abrabo mu ye den ma no na adwuma asem nko yie omo oba ba ko dada so he left for Kumasi ho no konya adwuma but adwuma no konya e no it was such that ontimi breaki emba o ye adwuma even on Sundays na ti ontimi mba fie it for a very long time wa wo Kumasi saa until say otimi nya akwan ba Accra oba Accra no na ne yire no enyim e wa bra ono so one oba yi ndai oba no so besra na Kumasi da ever since okọ Kumasi itina ababa ye problem e ma o ka kire ne maame say ade we de enye ono ana ne maame so ujai sa na o wire anu
sisi anu kwa de pie
na no kure na pie sisi
nti on say anu kwa won you can't hide it too yes on say yakoba ya bishi once you know say akwada we ne ba no you be vindicated on say ka follow ni maame a nko be kwa ikoya dia emfata on say maame say on can require na ba me say on one
yeah
but I see no me here bibia and at the end of the day no quite need
yeah
all he can do is say we won't send the wife need betray no e nyoma mi no it does not because of what your wife and no the Bible allows that and also because okay I'll count my losses and move on but before me move on also more value more for counseling to go through a process of healing so that trust will be restored. So when restore trust, no can't say yes, the child. Let's move on. Obekwa ko na Kumasi yiru wa account binda. Bozo ti Kumasi bo wa yiru wa account binda. And as any time don't say yiri bibi no be panic. So it does because of the why you know, yeah, mean to me no move on. Or I will accept you back. But before you continue with the relationship now, you know, or some two, more value for counseling and go through a process of healing in the area of trust. So that trust will be restored in that relationship. Other than that, no. So funny try no the care. A baby no. Baby won't say, I didn't know yam sometime ago, I want to move on. Because in every relationship, no, and that's how you know, trust is the bedrock. And once trust is compromised, if you don't restore that trust and you just move along, I have relationship. I am happy. Say advice na be a man he has been vindicated.
Okay. The next one.
Ex-boyfriends, ex-girlfriends, be very careful. Very careful.
Okay.
You could to quite no new business. Now, not in the former boyfriend, no more social media, Facebook, they are all over the place. Be very careful. Be very careful. What worry?
You. When so you are just Oba and Copese on a worry no. See the Obama mum ne friend, Obama now on any war. As I say, ni suba asesa like bibika krabia. Na I say ni both say ni niama na ni bibia asesa from when they met, but I feel so nanka omo ekosiesie omo ho akwa ware anka na omo ye ready so ombe ware but say na I say be ma na asesa ni bibia ni attitude ni bibia asesa
na oni na kasa obi sa ni adent na oyesa
eno de man
so bisa so ahanu no maybe we are zooming. There's too much assumption and that's I didn't hear spiritual. Other we are zooming also hear spiritual. Don't see spiritual then you be alcohol. And the spiritual for pen between alcohol. When you be nam nani panin kasa you must ask questions.
yɛmfa last one we encounter pregu because on also say on we dey ne obema na say ne attitude asa na we nso say oba anka oba be ware no ɔsɛ ɔne ne ɛwɔ hɔ na bibi ketua bi a na ɔbaa ne buafu na ma ne butimi fu be 1 week na ɔmo nkasa na kyɛ sɛ abufuo no egyina mu saa ne ade a nsa na ɔno akoma to ne yemu a ɔkasa no kora omua no the slightest thing na wadwa
ɛna the other one is nipa ne suba sister
aye
okay back when I was nipa na sister no first of all no you see a new man mean either say guy no the open when you say they make out here
yeah
why you biscuit navy
no correct
into you biscuit navy and after they afunu say oh see only obi na mo be a person why nipa no question so bisa won say nipa no so person why me another day say there we don't ask those questions and no answer me don't know oh me don't know and I'm in the area and I am madam for na me penasem and I be worry because obia obenta in a relationship no even business no obia on the motive so I want to understand from your end say okay me mama you say me person me worry no you have the same mind towards me if you don't have the same mind no it means that the two of us cannot work together. The Bible says can two work together except they agree. So the minimum na me person me worry na bia also what you person be worry me but okay bibi wo mche the moment you get that thing that's it. It is only be man nam what you know me guy we nam obe worry me the question also be say guy no me nam dey no hwehwe because the moment be on na dream for you is different or person add you to his list then second ope kim that's it because no near na dream so about the why and sometimes you know say ni person jawa obe frustrate you te bufu why you say ya say the baby obe bre ana
yeah
now say relationship obi anko ni baby and now so say obi wo wa emotionally no nye stable so the guy no say girl kakana ni bufu
yeah
obi wa emotionally no only stable because of the upbringing and obi wa onyi no oko through no maybe nti wo mo na sa de ni ba na why was and obi so be in the formal relationship no the way call no sometimes no na man no career no why was so yes obi wa because of the okom before no share no say oye bibi kaka na unya ni shobo say na unya ni because na thought be as say banana dream it means that person needs emotional help
okay
because one yen star na nipa emotionally one year healed no nya mwa because of maybe some baggage be or this baby ba no relationship na mu no e be ha no so so can say on one pa on ni sense of babit me anisa but bia baby we do no nipa we no pe no
yeah
but bia nipa no so have emotional problems but what I didn't like about that thing is say get any between be 1 week wo na oba so on washing in your hey aman fo nya ne fu hey aman fo nya ne fu pa o ye worry o ye worry o no wa ko tan be me fi 1 week yani o ye so be do tan 1 week a woni ne na o woni ne da o
obe fire
ya na ma abortion be mo ya abortion o mi dia ne ma no o washing nyoma ma no so eventually na man worry a don't you think the pain never was no ever was pa yes and that is why a lot of people are going around say oh when a broken heart say the way how do we be shad ye mu no samba so a na impact never be about be how I don't get it why I am worry o then go di baby 1 week no wa koya all those things who will say no boyfu na monam I see the two of you already husband and wife na ma kwa na ma ba enti baby o say baby and God see or per se o tie what I say oni ni ndai na de ebeke bi obeja tum na meboa azumi say ka chen so ni ndai a o say the relationship is gone but o mean tie again na side but me based on what the guy has said untenable maybe the girl needs emotional help don't share the one because of you as I said if you feel bano relationship be okomu me I bring you to me hand most of the time as a woman and good sometimes no or three and that's a challenge you go through but that idea of young warrior who got to be me fear no any biani I was in your man people should be very careful because the fact that you be namno ni papa ni mo no mama ni no does not mean that the two of you become husband and wife eventually.
Okay.
Be very careful and know your level of commitment. You are not a husband, you are not a wife. For yes, I did not need to be to me what is here for the rest of your life. You will never be happy in any relationship. Now go on to be a
also counselor that's pa.
I can say maybe be a mecha. And many a woman a mere challenges in the door. Assassinate just you'll be there. So giving the ultimate solution for problems on this earth. And that ultimate solution is Jesus Christ. Accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and personal Savior. And let him reign in your life. Because with Christ in your boat, it doesn't matter the storms that will come. You overcome it. Paul says, we are pressed down on every side, but we are not broken.
Amen.
Okay? Now, what do you want my Christ to say? It is not enough just going to church. My only relationship, and you're better. We are in the 7th month, and this is the month of perfection. Make sure that Babona Obono, then yes, you ban there, you be with him. Jerry,
yeah, that's the counselor. Counselor Oscar 3P and I attend in Kano. Now, quickly, I didn't come up. That could be from CCA, but before that, no guaranteed trust bank. So, yeah, for Masada, Madama, and they almost mobile money payment from Koso away GT Bank POS. No, so at the mama for Timitria catches a Bibia Eco Ye, Kama pa at the MMO. Very, very, very simple. And they say we for goods and services. No, we beat me. I and Eddie far MTN mobile money in a fee, Vodafone cash, and Airtel to go money. So, our GT Bank POS device BI. So, very simple. Now, at the payment point, now I opted to pay with mobile money on a GT Bank POS device. We'll be providing merchants with your phone number, and then the payment alert authenticated on the GT Bank POS device will be sent to your mobile phone. Now, the SOA answer will authorize it transaction on your phone with your PIN. And voila, with them, now merchants I receive a payment instantly. So making payment just got more exciting. Pay effortlessly and conveniently with mobile money on GT Bank POS devices today. Now I free. Businesses and shops and merchants out on yeah, Kaimo say among contact guarantee trust bank was 050-410-0282. Namon Sanka GT Bank POS devices be Namon Shas and Fanya Juma. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Okay. Says here, baby, I do know. You were a marketing managers no back from a Franco Trading. Away and Tem Hanum and Navy, a man a quaba tell Nafi, Sebisaba could be me and Sebi. Now, you're fine and trust. Ejama Quaba. Yeah, now on a walk or there.
Largely.
She at your power.
Largely.
So you be a fine there.
Bogos are
now, can we be trained? Yeah, Franco Trading Enterprises say, quite a Monday, a friend saying, website way near the year, just a mouth for me yet at Tomobile phones online. Yeah, catch saying a DNT. NSSA will be a mobile phone at or top from Franco Trading Enterprise and not any other phone shop.
Bako pe asemno ni tia wane se. Okay, mami ni nkan mi nchia wo tie 4.
Tie 4 Joso.
Na asemno tia wane se. Ebe din be nwo yi pa se. Wo koto ade na onto de pa. Enu e baako.
Yeah.
What is sika pa se wo koto ade a wo hia pa. Na onto ade a ye quality.
Yeah.
Enu ye baako. Ebi na ebe de be nwo se. Ade no quality e chi no. Na onto nia ebuo no wofom wonu se nema mienu ana nema mensa ana de eburo saa ni nyina ye the same quality but then ebibuo e wofom na wo de wo se chenchina obeto de ne bo odin eno so ebe me won yi pa eno ntina ye ka se bomodina se uhia mobile phone ana se accessories ana se ope TV set computer printers bomodina so be Franco Trading Enterprise because they say just me hu nya menka ye sonso yi pa ye big enya de e beton ade fun ama obi a ade papa ina de be ma wo ne ye ton ama won so a wonim say at least no we guarantee say and say basa papa na no bo so go fom.
Okay. It's not just a candia, young mofun bidin yabi, like bibia.
Mobile from the other Bowra. Say, cried the Abashimua entry, promotion bia, Abba. The mother promotion no say, Brabesha promotion. Baby will be a Bowra shop of Benubiano. Would they always go on his go Bowra on a caution in this one, dear. I say, mobile phone trade fair, no? This we are on a caution only no more. Sasa, also Osh when you so. And no. Just say, Bowra, how do we on a caution in this one, dear. Baby owns a Franco Trading Enterprise, your shop no buono. Bowra also all caution near my war. Crack. Now you're ready, so on your scar, no could be. Ugres cancel around the Kotobi. Now I can assure you, say, on try a mobile phone, I had be a no one da.
Okay.
I don't know. Until you pese. Ubiati as I say, Franco Trading Yen Yakuta de Pano. You see, Moons watch it. Papa. The Ghana hands will be unto ye. You could 32 branches. Very big. Na bank crossing in Nanakuta. Oh, yes. Bank
branches nationwide could be 20.
20. You could 32 branches. Still counting.
Yeah.
You will slim in a baby eye. So until see ye did there. Oh. Need him dear ye did because I say what mean can't them say would you want to how didn't so runs there be oh but not sense panu so kase no bi 75 runs e go just want to fantasy so runs there be the Franco Trading Enterprise yaba
na ye ka bi ga crown fa sa say amafotimi e bi obitini fie so betimi ato
online there no
online
e kama kura che bibia. So me TF1 na say person me top mouth and I'm better Franco Trading. Come to fear makam na to so.
Yeah.
Me so mfa me ma fa telephone ma frame office. Mfa me. And na say obi me nkola na ba ko. Omo frame no na ne online for no frame na ne. Na di pa na say say o tun bo say chire ho ankasa. Na no mu ntimi na me share. Customers are the best. They are first in our lives. Nti mo fa na me na me nyam je phone no. Me ne kasa oh be wi ase na ni age kama. Wa be to phone no kama. Oh, and you're not buy online. You recommend with you. Say, who sends you as a credit bro?
Wow.
So what me send you as ya? Yes, we send you as a bro. Wow. Did you say over friend numbers?
My contact numbers.
Yeah. Your numbers is so na name on pacho meaning can we answer. Who free say ukuta adwumbone a ofa Franco Trading your website no so e didn't say hunu no e bon go for po no. Yes, now say ye hu adwuma den so anja ya assemble obete bobo
frosters ni bi no asha said
papa so mo de baby yankopon tutu ebo na pesi no ho na obunsam tutu no ko bi enti enti one time pesi ya no so ne say wo ye obi a opese auto online a bomodina so be friend number we now friend number CD a and obe hu say enye fake bia enye wagadrefo no bia numbers ni ye 0555 939311 0555939311 and I say 0302 225651 0302 225651 wo fresh number see online line obenya direct the mobile phone type of people they catch them okay also to fie o to office baby a wo bia catch them say open mobile phone ato and TV at all, and computers, whatever. You remember be out.
Okay. You. And na my assembly try to any sorry so.
And na they make Kenyan say Franco Trading Enterprise. Na me chire mu say, oh say promotion e dia ba no. Oh brabehwe promotion. And on say brabehwe. And na promotion nso no on say wo brapa wo ba. Oh na ne ba no a wa wo no. You are doing the challenge promotion. Oh you are challenging obi say you can't buy anything from other place a bono from chair de no enema me no either say fake and I say chrono ade nti Franco Trading Enterprise when you think about buying mobile phones and computers and say TV and printers ma Franco Trading Enterprise emra utrim first and sana why the baby Franco Trading Enterprise a mobile phone and other TV set ni name account na number no biem ebia na obi antemenka number no your mobile phone number ni here empa modern so be free na we follow instruction and say advice bia yen ko for the be ma wo 0555 55 9393 11 05 55 9393 11 and now say 0302 22 5651 0302 22 5651 Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fee no
correct yedase pa yedase